Hello and welcome to the channel. This is going to be a short video on Windows 11. Windows 11 won't work on your PC without a TPM. Well, in this video I will show you what to do, or let's say how to check if your system has a TPM, and equally give you a brief explanation on what is this TPM. According to the Microsoft, recent announcement, one of the system requirements for Windows 11 to work on your PC is this TPM 2.0 chip. What then is, a TPM? A TPM is a short for Trusted Platform Module, and it is primarily known as a means for security in PC. You can go read more on this. But please, before we go into the second part of it, how to check if your PC has a TPM, please, below your screen, you will see this red subscribe button here. Please, below your screen on the right hand side, click on that red subscribe button to support me and motivate me for more videos and help keep my channel alive, please. And equally, like the video, subscribe. Thank you and God bless. What we have to do now is keyboard, go press down the Windows key and the R key. If you don't want to take this route, to do that is to go click on the start button, then type run, and then click on this run app and type tpm.msc, and click OK. Then this window will pop out. Go check the status here. In my own case, the TPM is ready for use. That means my PC has TPM. If yours does not have TPM, you might see an error message that says compatible TPM cannot be found. So if you don't have it, that means you will have to contact the manufacturer of your PC for them to show you how to enable that on your PC through the BIOS. You can equally buy one off Amazon, but the installation and everything about that, maybe you have to look for someone who will help you install. That is it for this video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to support me, and see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless.